Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to gift Fortnite Battle Pass. So in Fortnite you cannot gift the Battle Pass using V-Bucks directly. Instead, gifting the Battle Pass requires using real money via the Epic Games Store or in-game purchase system. Firstly, open the game and navigate to the main lobby. Click on the Battle Pass tab. Then at the bottom screen, select the Gift Battle Pass option. Choose a friend from your Epic Games friends list. Make sure the recipient is on your list and your account meets the gifting requirements. The gifting option uses real money, not V-Bucks, so enter your payment details to purchase the Battle Pass to your friend. Once the purchase is complete, your friend will receive the Battle Pass as a gift in their account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.